Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Garden fresh green peas. Too little, yet too much. And what do we make with it? This is my making of Alloo Matar Parantha. Antioxidants, energy, iron, carbohydrates and protein loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Switch on the flames. Add adequate amount of water to boil some potatoes in. Now, add the potatoes, but remember we will not be using all the 4 potatoes. Once added, any natural salt, pink, Himalayan rock and a little bit of turmeric powder. Now, cap shut the cooker and allow the potatoes to boil. In the meantime, soak the green peas in water from any natural source. Wash and rinse the green peas well. Remove the dust or stones if any, and even insects or caterpillars. When done, add the green peas to a blender and grated ginger and green chilies can be as per as your taste. Roasted cumin, pink or rock salt or any natural salt, again as per as your taste. Blend to a rather coarse finish and set aside till to be used. Now, in the meantime, the potatoes are boiled and ready. To peel the potatoes, and as I said, we'll use only 1 potato for 4 paranthas. So cut or cube the potato into smaller pieces or cubes neatly and hygienically and mash with a fork. Now, when done, add the coarsely blended paste of green peas and mix well. Mix well. It will take a little effort, but yes, do mix well. Now when done, add leaves of mint, curry, cilantro or parsley or both, carom seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, mango powder, garam masala as per as your taste. Mix well, mix well, mix well, and when done, taste for corrections if required if any. Our stuffing is ready. Set it aside till to be used. Now, shape 4 whole wheat flour or multigrain dough balls and flatten and roll them into sheets. Place a generous amount of stuffing. Mix and flatten it. Roll and flatten the stuffing mix stuffed dough ball, and this is what it should look like when done. Drizzle desi ghee and allow the lower side to firm up. Spread the desi ghee and do not press the bubbles. That is a good sign. Flip the side, drizzle desi ghee till side firms up, and do not press the bubbles that are forming. Flip and cook till both sides are evenly done. Always allow the roti or paratha to fluff, as it ensures properly cooked insides. Now what happens is steam is formed which separates the layers of the roti or paratha and cooks them from inside. And when done, enjoy with gravy, curd, pickle, sauce, dip, butter, as I do, or anything of your choice. But remember, nutritionally speaking, never ever the tea or coffee. It is not at all recommended, as all of them react.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.